Benzinga family. What's shaking my bacons? All right, we got a bunch of stuff on the radar this morning. Myrna got approval to do something with 12-year-olds and older. We got a few orders in that, up, down, and sideways. Very small, tight stops in the morning. XENE is on our radar. Keeping our eyes on that. We got a bid down at $29.50. Oil, nat gas, up a bunch today. We got a little bid down lower. And oil, I'm looking to do a little swing trade if we get follow through today. I think oil's getting a little stretched out. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Slow and steady in the morning. I want to show you guys Facebook from yesterday. Ended up being a spectacular trade. Look at our daily chart in Facebook, guys, yesterday. Check this out. We had a daily level on our 200 EMA at 323. Look at that. Stock went to 322.70. Went up $6 from there. Beautiful start for a swing trade down there. We did a regular trade. We made a couple of bucks. 323 Facebook for the opening. Yeah, it's not going to happen. It ain't going down $6, but we'll keep our eyes on it. We'll keep our eyes on it. Myrna's probably going to be wackadoodle off the opening, as it always is, right? So we watch. See what she does. So if we get to 328.50, I'll have like a dollar stop, 327.50, and then we'll leave the 324.10 out, which we really like. That's the pivot point, down $7 from here. So risk $25 early. Yeah, Boris, you got to be small in that. You don't need to be big. It's actually been very good to us. Knock on wood. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the spiders are in nowhere's land, guys. QQQ, spiders, all these things are in nowhere's land now. On dailies, weeklies. They're just nowhere. You know, we're in the middle of nowhere. I mean, the spiders are setting up for a better short than a buy on a rally. You know, we're definitely in a little downtrend now. Uh-oh, you're stuck in think or swim? That's never good. So I don't know. I don't know if we're at the lows. I don't know. I have no opinion on the overall market right here because we're right in the middle of everything. You know, we had a nice bounce off the lows yesterday. And, you know, I've been calling for a little correction. We've gotten a little correction, not much, but you know, my spot in the spiders, if we do get a real one, is 413 is the first spot. Bitcoin looks good again. Looks great on the daily chart. We broke a bunch of levels to the upside. You know, we're getting a little stretch, not RSI though, but it looks great. Bitcoin looks great. Chart looks really good. IWM. Let's look right at the daily, see what's going on. Yeah, another one. It's kind of right in the middle of everything. I got nothing. I got nothing in IWM. Was that the bell? We're off. Guys, let's mute our microphones, please. Thank you. What stock did it execute 3 times and bought 3 times as many? None of our orders hit. What you talking about, Jake? You were buying SDC this morning? Think our swim is messed up? All right, be careful then. All right, cancel Myrna at 328.50. We'll leave the 324 out. Palantir, I wanted to get to our 21.50 for a swing. It's bouncing a little bit. NVIDIA is due for a nice bounce. We'll see if NVIDIA sets up for a trender. 204 would be a good short in NVIDIA. STC had a patent go through. Yeah, well, it ain't doing much. Yeah, all these things are due for a little bouncy, guys. AMD, FedEx, oil. Oil could be setting up for an early trend trade. Yes, guys, let's keep our eyes on it. 88.20 is the early trend. 88.20. FedEx, I wanted 217 for a swing trade. Oh, we're below it now. So I'm going to wait. 217 is a huge level in FedEx that it just busted through. So I'm going to wait. Let's see what happens. Oil, what are we doing? Nothing. Deadsville. Zini. All right, we'll leave our Zini down there. If it spikes down $2 from here. Actually, Zini, the spot is what, 28.11? No, 29.50 is good. Let's see what happens. Cancel Lamurna short. We'll leave it for a minute. We can cancel Lamurna buy. You never know with this thing. This thing could spike up another $5. Definitely setting up for a better buy. Yeah, we're due for a little bounce, guys. We're having a little oversold bounce in all these stocks. I'm not running in and buying. Facebook still looks bad. Right? Not much of a bounce in Facebook. Baba. Getting a little bounce, but early. 142.50 short, Baba, guys. 142.50. If we go in that direction, that is a short. NVAX. Spike up, spike down. NVAX gave a little short at 185, guys. Look at that off the pivot point. Looks like it might have missed it by 2 pennies. UTST. Starter short at 306. I like it. 305.80 is good. Boeing. 221.40 Boeing. Pivot point. Mike, let's do it. I like it. I don't think we're going to get there, but I like it a lot if we do. 221.40 Boeing. DG, how do I get in your trading room? We'll talk about that later on. I'll give everybody an opportunity to come in for a trial this week. Let's just see if we can get any trades this morning. Yeah, I mean, Boyle's definitely a buy, guys. Buy. Making new highs, Boyle. 88.20 in Boyle, guys. I don't think we're going to pull back that far, but 88.20 Boyle is the early trend. About to make new highs. I think 91 is the all-time high. All right, cancel Myrna sell side now. I know. Whack. Well, 324 Myrna, right? Just in case. On the downside. Never know with this freaking thing. It's a wackadoodle. It's all over the place. All right. Let's get rid of this stuff. Still like XENE, guys, if we get down there, right? 29.50. Yes. It's good. It's good. Oh, there's almost your new highs in Boyle. ZM. I think Cassie Wood bought more ZM yesterday for whatever that's worth. Coin. Tesla. Tesla's dead. Kind of just going sideways. If it breaks out from here, it's a better buy. Mara. I got nothing. Mara usually trades with Bitcoin, but these things have been so bad. Goldman Sachs is dead flat right now. I don't see anything going sideways. Wow, guys and girls. 10 minutes into the opening, and we are dead. Baba? Yes, let's do it. Short Baba, 142.50. I like it. Trade. If we spike up. Got it out. Baba. Now Myrna's better again. Myrna is wackadoodle. All right, cancel our buy. It ain't going to get to 341. It's all over the freaking place. AMPY, not for us, $3. Not for a trade. Boeing bounce, get rid of that. Not happening. XENE bounce big. It certainly did. Cancel that. Jeez Louise. We couldn't have a level in XENE down there at 30? Really? No, we didn't have one. Is this thing shortable, XENE? It is. All right. No, maybe we get a far from moving average trade in this thing. It just went up $4. XENE. ZIM. Boy, there's a far cry from yesterday morning, huh? Zim could get going a little bit from here, maybe. Looks like a better buy than sell. Baba went down. All right. We missed UPST off pivot. Yes, we did. Well, nobody posted it for a nice $4 trade. Jeez Louise. It never hit it? All right, then I don't feel bad. Zini's hard to borrow and think of swim. Okay. Lou, you didn't like it there anyway. All right. Oh, man, we got nothing here, guys. Yeah, I mean, crazy. Market's not doing anything. I mean, Myrna's spiking up and down $4 at a time. You want to trade that? No, thank you. Zim, what the hell? Oh, we looked at Zim. There's nothing to do with it, Zimmy. Yeah, looks like a better buy than sell. Boyle. Yeah, no pullback in Boyle. We just made all-time highs in this thing. And we can't short it. The only thing we could do in this, and it's not stretched again now, is buy some coal, but it's not stretched. The stock is just a buy on a pullback. Buy, 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 buy. Space, the final frontier. I got nothing. Space is ugly, man, after looking really good. Weekly is $20 in space. Sava. Spike to the 200. Yep. NVAX. Start short at 306. NVAX, what do you got? 168. Yes, we're nowhere near there. Facebook, we got nothing. I got nothing. Yesterday's low. I can short Boyle. All right, look for a far from moving average trade in Boyle. Or 93.23 Boyle. 93.23 is a good spot. ASAN. Dead sideways. Netflix. Again, Netflix would have been a short up at 622. Could be setting up for an early trend trade. Netflix. Lucid, UPST. Let's look. Yes, I like UPST at 290, Connie. If we pull back to that level, yes, 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 yes. William Shatner flying to space on Spaces for real. Good for him. Well, for my birthday, someone sent me a William Shatner birthday thing. Whatever that's called. He wished me a happy birthday. Osher looks like a better buy. Not probably for a day trade, but definitely looks like a better buy. What a difference a day makes, huh, guys? Oh, my God, it's dead. It happens. One thing we're never going to do is force trades on. Yes, a firm is nice early uptrend. Yes, 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 yes. Jump in. Net, a couple of people mentioned net. All right. Again, definitely setting up for a buy. Net. Could get a far from moving average trade in that one, too, if you want to watch it very closely. but it's a better buy on a pullback now. 118.20 NET is the trend trade. 118.20. You want to put that out in net, guys. 118.20 is good. Baba. I don't know. We kind of slowed down in Baba now, right? I kind of would have liked it if we went up there fast. Let's hang out a little bit now. See what happens. XENE came all the way down. This is a weird one too now. I don't know what to do with that. Spiked up, spiked down. And AFRM, far from moving average territory. Let's look. No. I mean, it's got the RSI, but we're less than $2 away. And we got a nice short if we get up to 114.34 in AFRM. Guys, you can put some of these orders out that we're talking about. I just don't think anything's going to hit. Crazy. Sal, what are you doing? What is anyone doing? Boeing, we got that 221.30. I would love if we get down there. Kind of sitting right now. SI. SI is a nice trend trade. Yes, 100%. Guys, my room is dead quiet. Nobody's posting anything. 104 people, and I can't get a post. I can't get a post from anybody. You know there's nothing going on. ATR is a stock. If you like, you just buy it. Yeah, I'm with you, Alex. 100%. You can't find anything. You don't do anything. Everybody's looking. SENS. What the hell is an SENS? Oh, SENS is one I have in my long-term portfolio. It's a lottery ticket. UPST. 293.70. Yeah, it's good. It's $5 away from where we're trading. Yes. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing to do. Myrna for a quick bounce off the 65. Yeah, but look how choppy that is. I don't see it. ABBV. Didn't really stretch that much in ABBV. It's a little early for a trend trade. Devon. I'm looking to short these oil stocks. But nice grab at 39.23. That's nice. Very nice. Coin on a pullback, definitely, guys. And short coin 237.50 works for me. Yes, yes, yes. Myrna. Putting the pivot point back out. What do we got there? 323.50 Myrna. I like it. Good. Myrna, Burna, Bo Burna. My fingers are getting hurt from looking at stocks that aren't doing anything. Roblex. Roblex is a trend trade down. Yes, I like the short if it rallies up. What are you looking at in AFRM, Sal? I mean, it's a buy, right? 110.50, and it's a short at 114.25. We're sitting right in the middle of everything. So, yeah, oil's getting some legs again. Marathon's going up a little bit. UNG going up a little bit. Nat gas. Well, nat gas is why, that's Boyle. So we look to buy some Boyle on a pullback. No, Rich, I'm with you. I don't see a hell of a lot going down. Myrna is going down to the pivot point for a quick bounce. Let's hope so. Bitcoin will go 50,000. That's a nice story. I don't care. I wouldn't buy Riot, Kelvin. It hasn't moved enough. Boyle. Let's raise our Boyle, guys. Let's go 89.50 in Boyle. That's the trend now. 89.50. Ooh, we're getting some legs in SDC, guys. You bought more of the SDC? Down at 511. Very nice. Very nice. 90.22 Boyle. 90.22. Myrna bouncing. Cancel. Whack. Zini. Oh, yeah, Zini. All right, let's try it. 29.60 Zine with a stop. 29.60 Zini. 29.60. 29.60, 50-cent stop in Zini. Netflix back to the breakout level. Okay, Donkey Kong over 50. Donkey Kong looks like a nice buy. Absolutely. OPOD. UPST short at 305. Yeah, we're just doing it for a trade, Sid. And if we get down there, all right, that's good. And UPST, it ain't getting there. Long at 295.50 is good too. Tesla. Tesla just looks great. Tesla had a little pullback. It got a little overdone to the upside and had a little pullback, but still good. Still good. What the hell's OPOD? Ugh. All right, if you're buying OPOD, just put it away. Sava. I wouldn't do it the second time up here. I mean, it already gave it to you. SoFi. SoFi's never a day trade, guys. We are long SoFi. Still one of my biggest holdings. We're hanging out. Hanging out in SoFi. NVAX, what do you got? Give me some levels. Alex, what do you got in NVAX? It just missed one. It actually just got to 176 if you got it. You got a nice little trade there. I got nothing. Any let's look a little lower in NVAX. See what we got. 15, we got nothing. 30, we got nothing. 1 hour, we got nothing. Anyone got any fibs in NVAX? Oh, these things are starting to come down now. Let's look at Myrna. Yeah, Myrna's not doing anything. Nike's a good trend trade on a pullback, guys. You can buy some Nike on a trend trade. NVAX is the only one that's doing anything. UPST, yes, let's get the short out. 306 for a trade. UPST. 306 with Louis. We should probably go 308, Lou. All right, Zena, I don't like taking too long. Affirm, let's look. Affirm. 114.25, a little shorty in Affirm. I like it. Look at that. As soon as you mentioned it, the stock spiked down. All right, let's give it a minute. What is it? 114.20. Affirm. This pop up. Zini. Yeah, I mean, I like Zini, but we didn't get that. NVAX 166, that ain't happening. NVIDIA trend trade, my favorite stock in the world. Maybe, but it's dead flat going sideways. PSTL. No volume. This thing doesn't trade enough volume for me to ever get involved in. Oh, guys and girls, I can't find nothing. Cancel Boyle. That ain't happening. Cancel UPST. That ain't happening. Cancel Affirm. That's not happening. Long Vixie? No. No. I think the spiders can get back to like 435, 436. Then we look. Then we look, Sydney. We're in nowhere's land. You know, the trend in spiders is 434. So maybe we start looking VIXy if we get up there. That I like. Oil coming in a little bit. Let's see what we got. All right. So what do we got? 90.50 Boyle. That's the trend. I don't trust a 9 in this thing. Well, you can do it small. 90.50 is what I like. Oil. Yep. What's the 9? I can't see it. $90, $74, and $90. All right. Yeah, I'll do 90.60 also, Alex. 90.60 trend trade in Boyle is good. FRM. Yeah, now we're coming close. I mean, look, the stock, obviously, AFRM is a better buy, guys. It is a better buy. SQ. I got nothing in SQ. It's a better buy on a pullback. Yes. NVAX trend. Where do we like it? NVAX 179. Can't see it. Yeah, NVAX 179 is a good short. 179.75. Good. NVAX 179.75. Let's put it out just in case. 179.75. NVAX trend trade. Good. New highs in oil, guys. BT. What's a BT? All right, you can buy some BT on a pullback. Yes. Netflix. Yeah, Netflix just got $10 away from the moving average and the ADR-SI and threw in a red bar. So we missed that. That was about 625. It threw the red bar in, guys. In Netflix. So we didn't get that far from moving average. We weren't watching. Oh, my back, my aching back. Snap. Yes, Snap's a nice trend trade. Nah, BT's a $9 stock. You're not getting a far from moving average trade, and it looks like a better buy. That's got some legs, BT. I would not be shorting it. Not a $9 stock. We don't want to short a $9 stock. Hey, listen, ladies and gents, it's one of them mornings. Boyle on the 1 minute is holding. Yeah, so far. Yes. Not an obvious trade, though. That's exactly right, guys. That's exactly right. There's nothing to do. I ain't forcing anything on. Genie's in the middle of everything. 40% DG. Nice. Not making money beats losing money. That is correct, guys and girls. Everything's just dead, man. This is ridiculous. Baba? Yeah, I would buy some Baba 140.40. Absolutely. I know FedEx hit the 217. Oh, wow. Jesus Christmas. I guess we should have bought a little, huh? Jeez Louise, it broke it by a little bit. Look at FedEx, guys. Weekly chart. 217 was the spot. Wow. Alex, what are you doing today, Alex? Net is very strong. Yes. Net is very, very strong. Yeah, I know, Super SPAC. That was a great spot in FedEx. Buy UPST at 29.79. What? AFRM trend trade. Works for me, AFRM. You can do it. Good day for some day drinking, not trading. Cancel NVAX. We ain't getting there. Bob is a trend trade. You can put it out. Yes. Hey, happens sometimes. Yesterday was a spectacular day. So sometimes you have days that aren't so spectacular. Yes, UPST is a trend. What do you got, Lou? 298.75. UPST. Alex, you like UPST? Actually, I like the 297.50 better, Lou. Let's look at this. 297.10. That's the trend. And we're down $5 there. Doing it small, 297.10. It is the trend. We try it. It's popped down. 297.10 UPST. I like it 295.50. This whole week was in a short seller Christmas. Well, we recognize that. I've been saying the market's going to come in a little bit. And we're coming in. I didn't think today would be this dead. Honestly. Well, you know why? Because we didn't get followed through to the downside. That's why. Facebook just hit the pivot on the upside. Yeah, I mean, again, Facebook's dead too. It's right in the middle of everything. We ain't getting UPST, so don't worry about it, Melissa. But yes. Again, Facebook the daily at 323 yesterday was just spectacular. Boyle coming in. Let's look. What do we got? Boyle, we got 90.90 and 90.10 in Boyle. So let's go 90.10 in Boyle now. That's the trend. 90.10 Boyle. Trend trade. Good. Facebook just made me, yeah, okay. Nice. Cancel affirm, just missed. UPST. Worked off the 9. Yep. It did. Nobody liked it there. Nobody liked UPST on the 9. Nobody that I heard from anyway. All right, nice job, Kenny. Marathon. Again, Marathon, I'm looking to short. I am looking to short oil if we go up a little bit more from here, guys. If we look at UCO, all right, we're getting stretched on the daily. We almost have an 80 RSI. Not quite there yet, but I'm not looking to buy it. There you go, Rich. Do it. Do it. Netflix. Netflix is just a buy, James, on a pullback. CVX. Nope, CVX is definitely not a far from moving average trade. It's got the RSI, Davey, but it's not far from the closest moving average. Sid, we don't talk about after the fact trades. You know that. I congratulate you. But we don't talk about what happened yesterday. AMC, I hate AMC. I don't like AMC. Nothing there for me. There's nothing to me from anywhere, guys. Anyone have anything they want to talk about? Any questions, guys? Because this is painful already. Bracket orders. We'll do that in the room at some point this week. We'll do some bracket orders. We'll do some money management. Everybody needs another lesson in money management. Yeah, it's very choppy. Look, guys and girls, this is a good lesson in not forcing anything on. Okay? That's it. It is what it is. Yeah, the whole market looks really good. Spiders look good. Again, I think we got room to 435 in the spiders. If anything, I'd be short in VXX right here. Not buying. CHGGHYLN. HYLN is a lottery ticket. If you like it, you just buy it, you put it away. There's nothing to do in Facebook, James. It's just dead. RH. All right, good. Will do, Sydney. Roblex. 73.10. I like Roblex. Yes, let's do it. That would be stretched down there. It's our pivot point. Done in Roblex. Full trade. If we spike down there. NVIDIA worked off the trend. Well, it worked off the 9. Anyone get the NVIDIA trend with Alex? I did not see that post. I missed it. Very nice, Alex. Yeah, I didn't see it either. Yeah, nice. Baba. Do not short Baba now. It took way too long to get up here. Thank you, Alex. Appreciate it. I just wasn't looking or I missed it. Not doing anything with Baba. Baba's a better buy. Most every stock we're looking at is a better buy on a pullback, ladies and gentlemen, except for Roblex. SQ, 233.40 is a short. Okay. I'd wait for the pivot point. That's really stretched in SQ, right? 235.75. Put it out. 235.75 SQ. Unless you have we have a 4 hours, 233.40. I bet you that works for a trade. In SQ, 233.40. Let's do it. I like that better. That's stretched. Yeah, but Bill has the 4 hour on a 15-minute at 233.40. I like that. ZM trend trade. If it pulls back to the 9 and 15. Okay, so what is that, Alex? 260.40 and 260.20 ZM. Almost there. You like it right here? 260.40, 260.20. All right, we'll do a little at 260.20 ZM. Trend. Doesn't on this pop down. Baba pivot point. No, don't short Baba. It's a better buy. AFRM. Off the 15. 111. Good. AFRM. 111. I like it. Okay, good. Let me know if it's still good with ZM. Is UPST a better buy? Yes, on a pullback, it's a better buy. Yes, yes, yes. SQ's hanging. Rolex. you still like. Mara. Yeah, Mara's a better buy than sell, guys. It's a nice trend. Finally going with Bitcoin a little bit, Mara. Right? Finally. UPST. Cancel affirm. Not getting it. Roblex, we have a bid out, guys. 73.10. Roblex. That's our pivot point. 73.10. All right, we're in ZM on the trend. If we get 50 cents on some ZM, sell it. 70. Ooh, just sold half ZM at 75, guys. Nice call, Alex. Just sold half at 75. What's our next target, Alex? Sell some more here. All right. Selling another 10 shares here. Sold some at 261.05. Good. How did you not get filled, guys? It's crazy. Well, don't buy it now. We'll have a break-even stop now, 260.40. Alex, should we hang? Try to get more out of it? Hang a little bit. Only 400 got filled? Nah. All right. Cancel an SQ for now. You caught CM fast for 50 cents. All right, good. Yeah, we sold most. We got a tiny bit left. See what the next move is here. UPST. Ooh, did UPST hit the trend? Wow. Anyone get UPST, guys? It might have missed it by a penny, but 268.29. 298.20. It just went up $2. Ah, nice job, guys. So we posted in the room, guys, to buy UPST on the 15 EMA. It just spiked up $2. Holy mackerel. The line moved. It didn't actually hit. Whatever. It was a good trade. Boyle. Yeah, Boyle's a better buy on a pullback. I like Boyle if we can pull back to like 90.40. Is a good spot. 90.40. Roblex. Cancel Roblex for now. Not going to happen. Riot trend trade. Do not buy VIXY, guys. Not yet. Yes, Riot's a trend trade. All right, I'm going to take $1 into ZM. Good, Alex? Yeah, out of ZM here, guys. Got 261.49 for $1.10. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. There we go. Nice trade, guys. Nice trade. Good job, Alex. The dotted lines are pivot points, Marcus. Pivot points. How do you get them on Interactive Brokers? Good question. I'm not sure. Everyone in our room is using Thinkorswim for charting, Marcus. There is a way. I'm just not sure what it is. They are lines in Interactive Brokers. Okay. XENE short. Let's look. 32.10. Oh, you're short already at 32.10. Okay. I don't see anything there technically to be in it. UPST leaving out 295. I love it, Lou. All right. Let's put it out. UPST 295. just in case. 295. Yeah, guys, I'm going to invite everybody to come visit with us the rest of this week, and I can show you how to do all this stuff. Two things we're going to offer you: to buy our course and to come hang out with us for this week. But we got time. Let's see if we can get more trades set up. Yeah, Kyle, they're like Fibonacci's. I mean, they show when something's really overbought or oversold. Again, everything we do is based on technical analysis, guys. SWX is getting far from moving average. It's almost $3 above the moving average. Very, very strong stock, though. I don't know what the hell it is. Southwest Gas Holdings. What? That's a huge move. I mean, this stock is up $10. Sydney, all the money you make, you can afford to come in and pay for the room for a month. Well, FedEx was the beautiful swing down at freaking 217. Oh, my God. Someone shoot me in the head, FedEx. How long did we wait, and how many times did I say 217 in FedEx? How many times did I say that? Jeez Louise. It's up $6. Unbelievable. Right, James? How do we get access to the room, Vapor? We'll talk about it before we get out of here today. I mean, it just doesn't get better than this, guys and girls. You know, FedEx went down 70 points to hit our weekly level. Weekly. It's up 6 points today. Today. Well, I'm glad some people got it. Good job. Yeah, well, that would not be fair to all the people who are paying in the room. Yes, I would short FedEx at 226.48. And if you got 217, guys, just trail a stop now. First of all, sell half. Don't even think about not selling half of your stock here. And then just trail a stop. But sell half, please. You know me, guys. Put money in the bank. Put the money in the bank. What do you got in FedEx? 225. We have something. 225 is the 30-minute. I like that. This thing's getting stretched. Boom, chaka-laka laka. That's a good short. Let's do it. What's the exact number? I can't see. 224.94. Okay, Jet. 224.94 FedEx. This pop-up would be nice. $224.94 FedEx. And then we got the 226. I'm doing a full trade up there. This is getting stretched. 224.94. Full trade in FedEx. Oil coming in. All right. What do we got in Boyle, guys? 90.70. Small in Boyle. 90.70 Boyle. Now, Boyle sometimes have a mind of its own, guys. So I'm doing it small. Sometimes this thing breaks and it just keeps going. All right. No, FedEx, come on. Come on. Great spot, guys. Great spot in FedEx. We just didn't get there. Yeah, let's give it another minute. That would have been a nice spot. Very nice. Boyle bounce too. All right. I'm not crazy about Boyle anyway. This thing sometimes when it breaks through levels, it just keeps going. Yes, FedEx is definitely a buy, guys and girls, on a pullback. It saw its lows. It hit the freaking weekly level. Crazy. It already did, Daft. 217 was a spot in FedEx. 217 was a spot we've been talking about for 3 weeks. Crypto Taker, do me a favor. Take your Shiba Inu and the happy ending you got last night and leave the room. I'm happy for you, though. I got nothing in bros right here, Mr. Brady. Kind of just sitting. I don't see a hell of a whole lot to do right now. Vixie? Nah, Vixie's not turning. Doing nothing, Sid. It's dead. ZM good short? I don't know. Why is ZM a good short? It's sitting in the middle of everything. I don't see it. Cancel Tesla. Okay, what's UPST doing? Yeah, cancel that too. Not happening. One more chance for FedEx here, guys and girls. Let's go. One more chance. Tesla. I don't see it. CCL upgrade? Nah, these things aren't volatile enough for us to trade. CCL is something if you like, you just like. All right, FedEx, this pop up, guys. Let's go. Do it now or forever hold your peace. SQ is definitely a better buy, guys. 100%. Nah, it's not far from moving average. In that stock, it's $3 away. No, I mean, the short in this is 235 and change. We just do that. Wait, be patient in SQ. 235 is a spot. Yeah, I don't trust Boyle, guys. It's not my favorite stock to trade. If you bought it at 90.55 or 90.60, I'll keep it tight. First move there, Ken, was down, what? Almost 50 cents, right? So, I don't know. If you got it, good. Take some profits, but I don't trust that thing. All right, cancel FedEx. We just went down. Okay, ADG. How do you know when a stock will break resistance? The more times it tested it, the more likely it is to break resistance. So, yeah, if we can bust through this 114.18, you're probably on your way to 116. But if you bought it at 111, have you sold any, Tucson? You have to sell some, no matter what, even if you think it's going to 116. ZM, did you guys grab here? 259. I don't like ZM. I don't like anything right now, guys and girls. I'm happy with the morning. We had a couple of good trades, better than I thought. I'm hanging. I am not in a hurry to do anything. All right, you got Boyle at 90.10, Melissa? No, it didn't get there. I got the 90.12 on my screen. I didn't see 90.10, 90.12. All right, good. Take the profits. This could be a better short now, Boyle. So stay away from Boyle from now. What are you doing in UPST, Lou? What are we doing? 295? That work for everybody in UPST? Alex, good with that? I kind of like it. UPST. All right, let's do it. 295 UPST. That's the 200 EMA. Now it bounced. So kiss my tuchus in Macy's window and cancel it. Neo. What are you doing in Neo? Getting a little bounce, Neo? The stock still is so bad on a daily chart. But to each his own, man. Right? Vixie's not doing anything. Netflix. Double top or ready to break out. I wouldn't short Netflix. I'm with you, Kyle. No double top. Zine pulling back fast. All right, where do we like Zine, guys? I mean, I like 29.71 in Zine. That's down $2 from here, so I don't think that's going to happen. But that's a spot, just in case. 29.71 in Zine. Boeing trend trade works for me. BNTX. 252.11 BNTX. Okay, that works for me. Do it small if you like it. Keep your eyes on these drugs, Adam, and see if sometimes something's going on and these things just have a mind of their own. Wow, SDC, guys. We're almost rich. Yeah, Tesla just hit the trend, right? That's still right there, 790.80. Yeah, FedEx isn't a short now at 224.90. I could see 226 in FedEx now, Jonathan. Imagine making 9 points in one day off the weekly trade in FedEx, and we forgot to put our marker out there. That is amazing technical analysis, guys and girls. Daily and weekly levels are very, very powerful. Look what Facebook did yesterday, right? So this is our technical analysis. I don't care what anyone else uses, but FedEx 217 was weekly. You want to look at Facebook from yesterday? Look at the daily in Facebook. 323. 6 points in Facebook overnight and 9 points in FedEx during the day. That's insane. That's crazy Eddie insane. Ford, not something I'll ever do. I don't like Ford. I'll never trade that. Dollar Tree, it's just too cheap for us. It doesn't move enough. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, you could maybe try a little trend here. 98.60, 98.45. That looks okay. Daily, weekly levels are better for swing trades, or if they hit them during the day. Yes, Kevin. Obviously, you can see that, right? I mean, FedEx is a freaking miracle that it did that. That's crazy. But yes, the further we go on a chart, the stronger the trades are going to be, because the stock is moving further to get to those levels, right? So, yes, SWX is a trend trade. Now, our first level in spiders, guys. And I might start buying some VIXY, guys. Okay? I might start buying some VIXY if the spiders get to 430, 460. Start small, because I think on a big bounce, we can get back to 437 in the spiders. But 430, 460, I might start looking at the VXX. And not until then. Tesla 65 or 200. Let's look. I'd wait for the 200 in Tesla. You know me. 786. Yes. Myrna and AMC. Guys, I want to thank you. A bunch of people purchased our course yesterday after my day in here with you guys. Thank you. I will see you guys all on Thursday night for your mentorship, which you will get forever once you purchased our course. Yeah, Myrna, 329.50 is a spot. Oh, you just missed the trend. Damn. So thank you for purchasing the course, guys and girls. You have that forever. And we have our live mentorship every Thursday night for anyone who bought that. So thank you. I appreciate it. Also, remind me before we leave today, guys, I will give you the link to come join us in the room for the rest of this week. Remind me before we get out of here. We are losing volume now, guys and girls. We are losing volume. Tesla. All right, you can try it. Oh, no, I like Tesla off the 200, 786. Yes, it's not going to happen. It is not going to happen. IQNQ is ready to go. I don't even have that symbol. IONQ. Okay, I'm sorry. Where's it going? Where is it going? Oh, this is an IPO. Ugh. You know where it's going? On my no trade list. Solly, what's up, man? Where you been? Jeez Louise. Boeing is a trend trade. Yes. Facebook is dead, 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 dead. Oh. Anybody in Shiba Inu? First of all, guys, I have nothing against Bitcoin and all that stuff. I have traded Bitcoin with Mara and all that stuff. We just don't. Look, some of my people are into it, and that's great. I hope everybody makes money. That's the bottom line. I want everybody to make money in everything that they do. And those things have been good. So God bless. It's just not something we day trade, so I don't talk about it a lot. You know what I'm saying? I just don't talk about it a lot. Trim 75% of Facebook long term at 375. That ship has sailed. Very nice, though. Look at the volume in every stock now, guys and girls. Right? It's 1028. And volume be gone. Vixie is not ready. Not ready. Pino, what are you doing? You're down? Nobody should be down this morning. We had one good trade. Oh, VXX is down now. And the volume is down, yes. Yes, that it is, ladies and gentlemen. Where are we going to start buying cold? Not until this UCO gets stretched out. I mean, let's see. 1, 2, 3. UCO around 96, we will start shorting oil. Right? Because we got a pivot point up there. It'll be up 4 days in a row. 96, someone would remind me. I look forward to your free streams every week. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. What is TA that I see people mention? Technical analysis, Suvi? That's TA. Technical analysis. Yeah, AMD looks good. Looks like a better buy than sell. Yes. Myrna off the 15. Let me look. Again, it came really close the first time. Just came close again. Alex, you were sleeping? Actually sleeping? SWX. Yeah, we need a pullback. A little more of a pullback in SWX. Yes, all the lines that you see on my screen, lines, dots, that is technical analysis. That is all the tools that we put into our charts to help us make our trading decisions. And matter of fact, we don't make a trading decision unless something hits one of our lines. Now, it's a little more complicated than that to learn, but, you know, that's about as simple as I can make it. We make trades when things hit our lines if they set up for one of our trades. That's it. You know, the ZM trade we did earlier, right? It's set up for a trend trade here. Whenever it pulled back to the trend line right there, and we made $1 on the trade. Now we look for a different setup. And this is what we spend our day doing, is looking at stocks all day long and finding levels that make sense for us to buy and sell stocks. I have a small bag in Shiba Inu. That's fine. Whatever. Look, I tell everybody, how many times do you guys know this, right? I tell everybody that you can have a portion of your portfolio in crap stocks, whatever. Call them whatever you want. Crypto, Shiba, Moonstock, Dogecoin, whatever. Be prepared to lose it all. That's all. be prepared to lose it all. And if you make money on it, that's a beautiful thing. What happened? You posted the video again on the trend? Oh, I didn't see that either. All right, good, Alex. Off the niner. Excellent. And excellent. FedEx worked pretty damn well, Chris, huh? 217. I think that was a pretty good trade. Oh, my God. Take profits, guys. I got you, Alex. All good. Yeah, NVAX does look like a better short. NVAX is a better short. Anytime you get 7 points in one day in a trade, that's pretty damn good, right? $7.50 in FedEx off that level. Wow. Yeah, John. Myrna, 329.70 long. Let's do it. Myrna, 329.70 long. That is our 65 and our 200 EMA. So when I talk about a level, John, it's like what I'm talking about right now. So I'm looking at Myrna. We have our 65 EMA and our 200 EMA at 329.59. So that's telling me to buy the stock if it gets down there. So we put an order in. And there it is. There goes my order. Buy. I went a little bit above it at 329.70. And this is what we look to do all day long. In my live trading room, we post every single trade, as you can see, before we get into the trades. And then we talk about our profit targets and our stop losses. I do not like VXX long, James. Just my personal opinion. Facebook coming in. All right, so let's look at Facebook, guys. I have no support down until, what, $320? We'll check some different time frames to see if we have anything. Nothing on a 15-minute, nothing on a 30, nothing on a 1 hour, nothing on a 4 hour. So we got nothing in Facebook. So the only way I'd look to buy Facebook is if we get really stretched out and we get a far from moving average trade. That's it. Right now, it's not a trade. As a matter of fact, it's setting up to be a better short than long. All right, perfect, Joseph. Yes, we talked about that this morning, James. And the short and the spiders, first one, 434.77. So that, again, that would be the first spot I would consider buying a little VXX, 434.77. But I think we can get a rally back up to, in the spiders, 437, 438. So I would start very, very small there. But, the reason I would start small is because we're in a downtrend. Now, in a downtrend doesn't mean we can't get back to the 15, which is basically $2 above that. So I'll tell you what we'll do, guys and girls. If we get to 435, we'll start a tiny bit of VIXY. Okay? That's what we'll do. We'll start a tiny bit of VIXY. Yes, Facebook 323 double bottom from yesterday is a home run. Yes, we will do that. It's not going to happen. But we will do that. ZM crushing down a little bit here. All right. No, we're not trading a $6 stock, Tucson. The only way you could trade that, Tucson, is to buy like 5,000 shares and try to get 10 cents out of it. Otherwise, not for us. Me no likey. No, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. To me, it's not worth the risk reward, right? Because if I buy, 5,000 shares at 615, first of all, you got to add at 610, right? It's just not worth the risk reward. If I lose 10 cents on 5,000 shares, I'm losing $1,000. Not worth it to me. FedEx. All the good news is going to come out now. Where was it $7 ago in FedEx? Nobody wanted to buy it at 217 except us. I will short FedEx for a trade, guys, at 226.50. Putting it out. 226.50 short FedEx. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. I probably take 90% of, 70% of my profits on a swing trade up there, if we get there. All right, what are we doing in Myrna, guys? Canning. Gave it our shot. Idiot. 204.40 short. I like it, Sal. If we get there, yes. All right, Alex. Still good. We're waiting with you. Give it a couple of minutes. It's good. It's good. Netflix, double top. Let's look if it works for us, Ava. I just blew through the double top. That does not work anymore. It blew through. Netflix is just a buy, guys and girls, on a pullback. 640 is the next real resistance in Netflix. You know, a tiny bit stretch, but I think you can get another day or two out of Netflix. All right, Alex, I think it's time to yit can now. We ain't getting it. We are not getting it. XLE. Let's look. It's getting close, right? Is this oil and stuff too? Yeah. These things, in my mind, are getting close to shorts. Bros. Bros is sitting in the middle of everything, Chuck. So when I look at a stock, and I don't mean to dismiss it, Chuck, to everybody who's putting up stocks, and I just say no immediately. But when I see a stock that's just trading between all these moving averages, that means there's nothing to do for us. Not short term anyway. I would say if it gets above, it's in a base. So if we can strongly break above these levels right here, 45.20, then it's a better buy. But anytime I put up a stock, it's not like I'm dismissing anybody. It's just that there's nothing to do, so I pass it by. Oxy, another one, it's probably getting stretched on the daily, right? Yes. I'm certainly not buying these stocks up here, Davey. They're getting stretched out. I would like to see it stretch out more so we can short them. SQ is a trend trade, yes. Bonds are trending lower, Solly. Okay, that's good. Yeah, FedEx, we're watching. I like to shorten FedEx if we get up there, guys. ASML dropped 150 points in the last couple of weeks. It's a $700 stock, yeah. Well, look, right? So look at this, Laura. This is what we're taught. We were down 7 days in a row. This is the first day, though, we got close to the 20 RSI. So yesterday was the day to buy this stock. Not saying it can't have another day or two up, but yesterday was the beautiful day to do it. Technically. UPST. We like 295 UPST. I do. Yes. UPST. So we're going to get a green bar now, right? 295.20 small UPST. Yeah, yesterday was the day to buy a lot of stocks. You're right. No question about it. It's easy to say now. All right, we give UPST a couple of minutes. Myrna, do we still like Myrna, guys and girls? Not anymore, Ken. All right, we'll give UPST a couple of minutes. That's because everything's kind of just flopping around here, Ken, sitting in the middle of everything. 330.40, all right. Might have been the best swing trade we ever did in FedEx at 217. I've never seen a swing trade work that fast in one day, up $7. That's crazy. We forgot to have our markers out. Yeah, it happens. NEM, what's that? Newmont Mining. Gold. Newmont Corporation. Negative. Nothing there. Nothing to do. I don't see it. I don't know if anyone got in the second time, Alex. Anyone in the video with Alex? Again? Very nice trade. UPST and Bros both white trade UPS. Chuck will trade anything that sets up for us. Anything. UPST is in between the trend lines, but it'll be a big move from where we just were to get down to our 65 EMA for a trade. Ooh, Myrna just worked, guys. There we go. 329.70. Gave you 70 cents. Boom. Nice job, guys. In and out. So Myrna, if we look at, okay, hit our 65 EMA, 329.70. Gave you a quick 60 cents and then right back down. That's why we just trade these things. In, out, in, out, in, out. I don't know. Are these things all getting a little weak now? Nah, NVAX is dead flat. Yeah, but if you did brackets, you got your cash out of it. And it's still fine. Jim, still all right. You know, you gave you a quick 50, 60 cents. Nvidia. And now more. So you almost just got $1 in it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. There's your dollar in Myrna. Do I still like FedEx? Yes. Let's give FedEx another minute or two. I want to see it on this pop up, but let's give it another minute. The video rocket ship to the pivot point. Let's look. All right, what is it? 204.40. All right, let's do it. Video. My favorite stock in the world. 204.40. Everybody in agreement? Let's do it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. This pop up. FedEx. Giving FedEx another couple of minutes here. I mean, all these stocks are better buys, but they're getting a little stretched out. Roku, Boeing. Yeah, Roku going. Everything's going a little bit now. Boeing. Boeing's a nice trend trade, yes. Very nice. Next level for Myrna. 323.50. Oh, I would love that. Love that. All of a sudden, we're getting a big pop up here and everything. I don't know why. Is the spiders popping here? Yeah, spiders popping a little bit. Cancel UPST. Not happening. NVAX double bottom. Let's look. I don't know. This thing looks very weak to me, NVAX. I think it just blasted through the double bottom. Oh, it's 174.58. That might work for a quick trade. What is FedEx? All right, this pop up FedEx, guys. This pop up. The video, one more minute for the short, okay? All right, so we need NVIDIA and FedEx on this pop up. I don't think we're getting it in FedEx, guys. Can't. That would have been a nice trade. And we'll give the video another minute, guys. Merck 82.10 on the pivot. That works for me and Merck. I think you get a trade out of that. Yes. The video, we're trying to short it at 204.45, but we want it on this pop up, like right now. Literally. Myrna. Double bottom is 327.60. That works for me. Again, it just bounced, guys. See, guys and girls, the longer something takes to get to one of our levels, the least I like it. But I'll tell you why. Because if FedEx would have just got to us at 226.50, it would have made this 50-cent move down. Right? So that was the trade that we wanted. I'm not crazy about how long the video is taking. Wow, Facebook. Rip. Facebook all of a sudden go up $3. All right, cancel the video. Taking too long. We always want speed, guys. Speed, 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 speed. Yeah, Facebook just popped again. You tell me why. I mean, Facebook just went up $5, guys. What? Let's look if we have any levels. Ooh, 15 EMA, guys. 335.12 in Facebook. I love that for a short. Let's see if we got anything closer. We're sitting on the 30. Yep, 335.12. 15-minute. I'd be aggressively short Facebook there. 335.12, but it's up $3. It ain't going to happen. The video would have been a good short, guys. Would have worked for a quick 50 cents. FedEx would have worked for a quick 50 cents. They both threw in red bars, right? So those were our trades. Not necessarily I think it'll go higher, Melissa, but it didn't get to our level. I wanted it right there. We would have been taking off 50-cent profit already. We would have been taking off 50-cent profit in the video already. Those things would have worked, and we would have had our profits already. NVAX, where you in NVAX, Alex? Did I miss this one too? Where did we get in NVAX? Double bottom. What was the double bottom? 174.50? Yeah, okay. Keep it tight. All right. You got out break even. Okay. Maybe we get far from moving average in this thing. NVAX. Sava. What is the double bottom, JJ? What is a short? That's a great question, Suvi. So there's two ways we can make money trading stocks. We can buy something, and if it goes up and we sell it higher, we make money. And we can short a stock, which is borrowing. We borrow a stock that we don't own, and then when it goes down, we buy it back in profit. Facebook, 334. I love it, Joseph. All over that. 334.66. You shorted some FedEx at 225.72. All right. I mean, my spot was 226.50, James. If you're going to stick with it, I would add a little at 226.50, which I really don't ever recommend, but it's getting a little stretched up here. I didn't have any level to short 225.72, but the 226.50 was nice. Yeah, Facebook, I'll be aggressive at 334.64. Lou, the level is 434.70 in the spiders, okay? 434.70. Let me know if we get there. Yes, let me know if we get there. Yeah, we really didn't have a level there, James. That was the problem. All right, guys. Give me 5 minutes now, everybody. And then I'm going to, 2 things I want to do quickly. All right. Let's talk about our course for a couple of minutes. Guys, this is, if you really want to learn how to trade, you don't have time to sit in a room all day long. I am so proud of this course. This is the best course, best trading course that is out there, bar none. It's 6 hours of video lessons plus continued mentorship every Thursday night with me and Peter. I'll show you what's involved in the course. I'm so proud of this. There's a money back guarantee. You get your money back. 30 days, you don't like it, we give you your money back. I think one person has asked for their money back after buying our course. If you've never traded before, this is for you. If you traded and you're struggling, this is for you. Even if you're a very advanced trader, you want to take it to the next level, this is for you. We start with the very basics of the stock market, language, money management, which is the most important thing we will ever talk about. Setting up our charts, using moving averages, our 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin. And this is the best part, guys. Every Thursday night forever, you get my mentorship when you purchase this course. Every Thursday night. If you can't make a Thursday night, every one of our things are archived. You click on it, and it's over an hour every single Thursday night. So you miss a Thursday night, what is the spread, money management, think or swim setup. This is what we talk about every single week. It's here for you to go and look at if you ever miss a Thursday night. It is the best trading course that's out there, bar none. It's not even close. And we've given 10% off for everybody from Benzinga. It's a one-time charge. You never have to pay anything again. $447. That's it. You have the course forever. And you have me every Thursday night. So that's our course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. The link is up there for anybody who's interested. Anyone who buys today, tomorrow, I'll see you Thursday night. Best trading course on the internet. I refer to it often. I think it is, Diane. We're really trying to help people, and we've made it a very affordable price for everybody. One-time deal. You have it forever. So that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy, for those of you who are interested. Now, I promised you guys that I would give you the link to my room so that you can come in for the rest of this week. All right? Send me an email at dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. You can start sending me the emails now. I will get to it within the next half hour or so, and you can start coming into my room for the rest of a week. People in here short, stating it is a short soon as my stop nice and tight. Okay, it's good. We're talking FedEx, right? Yeah, it just got you back to a little profit there, so that's good. See what happens. All right, dgreen927@yahoo.com. If we can post it, Aaron, that would be great. So dgreen927@yahoo.com. That's my email. Wall Street Global Trading Academy.com. That is the course. Okay, dgreen927@yahoo.com. We'll have them posted up there. Before we get out of here, we got a few more minutes. UPST, we're back to 295. Everybody good? UPST 295. Let's do it. I like it. Firm, we're looking at. I bought the course yesterday, and I'm already learning so much. I'm a complete newbie. Yeah, I mean, thank you, Nunar. Yes, we do everything very, very slowly. Like I said, if you're a complete beginner, keep going through that course. Bring your questions with you, Thursday nights, and that'll accelerate the learning process. By being with us Thursday nights, 100%. But it does explain everything nice and simply. A firm I like on a trend trade is good, 112.88. Gartman went bearish yesterday. Gartman is a moron. Sorry. Pardon my language. Jay, that just brings me to another point, man. Don't listen to anybody. Gartman, Kramer, please. They have no clue. Okay? None. Probably sous vide. And I'm just being honest with you. Purchase the course if you can. But you can still come in. Okay? It's fine. You can still come in. But if you can afford it, purchase the course first. That'll give you a good foundation. Okay? And you won't be lost once you go through the course a couple of times. Credit Suisse as what? David's course is great, but the weekly mentorships are priceless. Yeah, I mean, we answer all your questions. We're with you. You don't like UPST till 290? Are we canceling? I cancel it for now. SQ, sell short. No, SQ is a better buy than. Oh, you like it, Alex? All right, tell me. What's the level? 235.60. Are we doing it? SQ? I'm doing it if you say to do it. All right, SQ short, 235.55. Let's pop up. All right, just let us know if you cancel. One can't afford not to buy the course. I wouldn't trade without it. Thank you, Diane. I appreciate it. I do. Everybody got the email? dgreen927@yahoo.com. Wall Street Global Trading Academy.com. The last thing I want to talk about with you guys, because I think we have a couple of minutes, is Benzinga and Benzinga Pro. Benzinga Pro is an important a tool to me as my moving averages. It is the best news service out there. It is the best for scanners, setting up scanners to find stocks. It is a 2-week free trial. You're silly if you don't get a 2-week free trial to Benzinga Pro. I could not trade without it. Anybody who's serious about trading really needs to have it. So Benzinga Pro. Go get the free 2-week trial. Don't hesitate. Okay, so Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Happy if you can put my email, dgreen927@yahoo.com, and then the link for Benzinga for the free trial. I think we just missed the SQ. And Alex, we still staying here or are we canning? UPST. All right, if you got 295, I don't know. I don't like anything right now. Giving it 1 minute in SQ. Okay. I'm with you. Well, you didn't get stopped out of UPST, so you might get 50 cents out of it. There you go, Ken. You got 50 cents on the bracket? Boom. The price to get into VXX. All right, everyone got 50 cents. Very nice. All right, I'll tell you where I'm starting VXX. And again, guys, this is going to be for a little longer term trade. I'm just going to start, and I'm going to start very small. 225.70 VXX is my first trade. And again, do it the smallest amount. I do think the spiders can go up from there, but that's the spot, 25.70, okay? That's the spot to start, small. I guess we're still leaving SQ if it does it right now. Oh, cancel. Too late. I couldn't cancel. I could not cancel.
How we doing, David?
We're doing great. We're doing great. Everything's wonderful. We had a nice, quiet little morning, but made a couple of shenanigans.
Yeah, it's been kind of quiet. It's good to see, market overall seems like it's bouncing back today.
It is. It is. We're coming back from an oversold position. I'm kind of negative longer term on it, but we'll see what happens. Not longer term, but for the rest of this month anyway. But we'll see.
You don't think? Do you think it's possible we hit all-time highs again before the end of the year, before the end of 2021?
Is it possible? Of course it's possible.
Is it likely?
I don't think so. No. In my personal opinion, I don't think so. I think we're going to have, a little dipsy doodle between now and the end of this month, and then we'll see what happens.
All right.
Anything's possible. It's always possible. We'll see what happens.
Sorry, I cut you off there. You said, what were you saying we have to look forward to? Or
I don't remember. I don't have anything to look forward to.
Some event or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, David.
All right, guys and gals.
We'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
10:30.
10:30.
Yes, 10:30.
Beautiful.
All right, thanks for the opportunity. I'll see everybody in the room.
Of course. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day, David.
Thank you.